Hey everyone, I'm back with another video here, and I'm going to demonstrate how these hand wipes clean certain tools. Now in my opinion, these hand wipes are the best wipes you can get for tools and also work on other items. I actually did a video on my Instagram where my kids stained some block wood with me, and then they used these to take the stain off their hands. Now I am not sponsored by them. I wish I was sponsored by them, but I bought this with my own money and I really believe in these wipes. So I'm gonna get to demonstrating how they clean a blower, and I'm gonna clean my trimmer, and maybe I'll pull one more thing out to clean and show you how well these wipes work for small tools. So here are the hand wipes made by Grip Clean. They're hand and tool wipes, heavy duty. Okay, it says it removes grease, oil, adhesive, paint, odors, and much more. Believe me, go follow them on Instagram and you will see a lot of videos of this product removing a lot of different material. All right, let me pull a wipe out here. You can actually feel how strong these are and how gritty they are compared to other wipes. So just grab the wipe, and now that's some thick stuff on there, real thick stuff. You know, I wanted to take it straight to the trimmer without actually hosing them off. Now normally you wouldn't clean your trimmer shaft when it's just caked on, but I'm just doing that to demonstrate how tough these wipes actually are and could work. Once you get all the heavy stuff off, which normally you would hook water it down, but I went straight at it just with the wipe. I'd say that's fairly clean. Now where these really come in handy, where you don't want to use too much water, is on the engine itself. You'll see how nice and clean this comes, because there's not heavy grass like there is on the shaft of the trimmer. All the dirt on the gas. how clean that comes. Alright, so I used 3 wipes, but I wanted to show you how tough these wipes were when I cleaned off this shaft. But normally I would scrape all the heavy grass off and then use these wipes, and you can see how well it did. Now to the blower. Now again, the blower, we're just gonna wipe it down with a wipe. You can see the gas tank here gets all gummed up with stuff, dust, dirt. Now the blower's only gonna take 1 wipe. There's not thick grass on it. Okay guys, that's about it for the blower. You can see it cleaned it really nice. I got one more thing I wanted to clean. That's my Cujo shoes. Now I never used it on the shoes, so we're gonna give this a shot. Let me grab a new wipe. Okay guys, if you're enjoying this video, please hit me a thumbs up. That'll really help. And I have another video of a lawn renovation, and let me know what your guys' thoughts are of a voiceover. If you ever did one, you don't like them, are they difficult? Because I think I'm gonna have to do the voiceover on that video, just because the way I filmed it piece by piece, I didn't do the entire footage of the entire thing. I did little snippets here and there. But back to the hand wipes. This particular container comes with 30 scrubbing wipes. And again, this is just my opinion of these are the best, just because of how well they work. You've seen the trimmer. Normally I would scrape all that heavy duty stuff off, but it took 3 wipes and cleaned it completely. So now let's clean some Cujo shoes. We're gonna see how well Grip Clean cleans these off. As you can see how dirty they are. not too bad compared to the other one. Not too bad. That about wraps this one up. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Please hit that like before you leave. And again, this is just my opinion. Best hand wipes on the market for tools, shoes, hands, small tools, whatever you got. I believe this will clean it. As you can see how I clean a trimmer, blower, and my Cujo shoes. Now I gotta clean the other one. Catch you guys on the next one.